You've seen the ads, you've heard the name, but what if I told you that putting just $1,000 into HIMS stock today could change your portfolio in the next 12 months? Is this the next breakout play, or just another hype trap? Let's break it down in real numbers. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Money Move IQ YouTube channel, where smart investing meets simple decisions. If you're a 35 to 50-year-old guy trying to make smarter financial plays for your future, this is your lane. What is HIMS? HIMS and HERS Health, ticker HIMS, is a direct-to-consumer health company. Think discreet telehealth visits, men's wellness products, and a sleek subscription model. And get this, in a world of clunky healthcare, HIMS is the Apple Store of digital health. Why $1,000? Right now, HIMS trades around X dollars per share. That means $1,000 gets you roughly X shares. If the stock hits just $15, a realistic analyst target, you could be looking at a 50 to 80% gain. That's $1,800 from your original $1,000. Not life-changing yet, but it's how you start stacking wins. The smart money moves institutions are sniffing around. Insiders aren't selling, they're buying. HIMS has growing revenue, improved margins, and unlike many growth stocks, they're cutting losses and scaling up. And guess what? The digital health market is set to hit $500 billion by 2030. You want exposure? This might be your entry. The risk, of course. There's risk. This isn't a blue chip. Consumer demand could slow. A lawsuit or bad press could rock the price. But here's the move. Don't go all in. Keep it as part of your high upside, calculated risk bucket. Think 5 to 10% of your portfolio. Motivation and mindset. If you're in your 30s or 40s and just now getting serious about investing, it's not too late. You don't need to be Warren Buffett. You need discipline, a game plan, and a few smart bets. HIMS could be one of those bets, or at least the kind that teaches you how to build your edge. So, what happens if you buy $1,000 of HIMS today? You take a step. You take control. Drop a comment below, would you invest in HIMS now? And don't forget, subscribe for clear, smart, no-hype investing advice every week. This is Money Move IQ YouTube channel. Let's move smarter. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.